Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the CAROTE Nonstick pots and pans set in white granite color. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be unboxing a brand new CAROTE cookware set in granite color. For a while now, I've been meaning to upgrade my cookware set, and I decided to go on Amazon to search for something that meets my expectations. Opening up the box, the first thing you see is the manual, which kind of tells you how to care for your pot set. And you'd see the included tempered glass lids trap in moisture and heat, and especially when you're doing cooking tasks like boiling. And I chose the white granite color for its classic timeless look that matches my kitchen decor, and it stood out for me. The CAROTE set features heavy-duty granite coated aluminum pans in a variety of essential sizes and shapes. I must say that this set is very versatile, can be used for sauteing, simmering, boiling, and more. One thing I must say that I noticed from this pot set is that it's quite heavy. So for me, I believe that the heavier the pan is, the more durable the pan is. And I must say that this particular cookware met my expectations. I see myself cooking a lot of dishes with this particular set, from pancakes to frying to veggies to boiling, whatever. The non-stick coating allows you to cook with little to no oil, making cleanup an easy task. And this cookware set can be used for any stovetop, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops. This CAROTE set includes a 24cm frying pan, 28cm frying pan, an 18cm saucepan with a lid, 28cm saute pan with a lid, and a 24cm stock pot with a lid. And then it comes with 3 kitchen utensils, a turner, a spoon, and a tongue. The sleek white color gives it a very elegant and modern look, and I must say that I'm very impressed with what I have so far. To keep these pots and pans looking like new, I'll make sure to follow the recommended care instructions. I'll avoid scoring pads and use soft sponges and dishcloths with mild soap and water. For stubborn residue, I'll soak the pan for a bit before washing, and as advised, I will avoid heating the pan when it's empty. The granite coating can withstand high heat, but extreme temperatures may also cause the non-stick to deteriorate over time. This particular pot set has its complete review on my blog, and be sure to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you're thinking whether or not to copy your own CAROTE cookware set, I definitely highly recommend that you can go ahead and get yours just like I have. I haven't been disappointed so far. Until next time guys, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.